right, hello Applied 30F students. This is the last part of your booklet. So we're going to be solving problems using obtuse triangles. So you need to be on page 35 in your booklet. So, can you use the following decision tree to help you choose a strategy when solving problems that involve trigonometry? Let's see. So you're going to draw and label your triangle. We know that it is going to be either a right triangle, an acute, or an obtuse triangle. So if it's a right triangle, you're going to use the basic rules of SOHCAHTOA. If you have an acute or obtuse, you can use sine or cos law. So let's try example number 1. An aerial cable takes passengers across a 74-meter wide gorge. At one point in the crossing, the angle of depression of the cable supporting the cable car measures 43 degrees and 37 degrees. Determine the length of the cable to the nearest meter. Alright, so we know it's 74, and we have angle depression 43. Supporting my cable car. So I need to determine the length of the cable to the nearest tenth of a meter. So I need to find those two lengths. So first let's find the angle. Okay, so I can use sine law to solve for both of these. And to the nearest tenth of a meter, I'm going to end up with 96.5 meters. Alright, example number 2. This one is a little trickier. So, from the 10-meter lookout tower, the angles of depression of the two tents measure 22 degrees and 29 degrees. One tent is on a heading south 35 degrees west of the other tent is on a heading south 68 degrees east. What is the distance AC between the two tents to the nearest meter? Okay, so step 1, using parallel lines, I knew the measure of angle C is 22 degrees, and the measure of angle A is 29, because that's what I'm given in the question. So next, let's see. Let's break the triangles apart. Alright, due to parallel lines, I know that the angle in there is going to be 29. So, the tan ratio I could set up. Okay, so I have figured out the lengths of him. Now what I want to do is I want to put it into my next diagram. Alright, since I know that is a parallel line, then I can say that this is 68 degrees. So then my angle C is going to be 180 subtract 35 subtract 68. So that angle is going to be 103 degrees. Next, what I can do is I need to find the distance, so I'm going to use cosine law. Cosine law. So I know the meters between the two tenths are going to be 34 meters long. So your assignment is to do page 37 to 39.